Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Code for Kids. How are you all? How was your day? So, in this video, if I will ask you, what if your computer could recognize everything you show to the camera? So, today we are going to build our own AI object detection project without writing complex code. So, basically, today in this video, we will learn about what is object detection, how we can use the object detection. Okay. And this is again our artificial intelligence machine learning video series. Next video. Okay. So you can watch the whole video, try to do the project and share your project link in the comment section. So we can say object detection is an artificial intelligence technology that can be detect one or more object in an image or live camera also you can use. It will going to be identify what the object is. It will going to be draw a box around the detected object. It will display the object name and confidence score. So basically we are going to be do this project. So we can say there are lots of real life examples that we have. For example, you can use the object detection in self-driving cars, CCTV surveillance, for face detection, for smart shopping system, for traffic monitoring, medical imaging, robotics, smartphone devices. So we will you this all are the examples of object detection. Okay, let's get start. It's very simple. You have to be just open your PictoBlox, go with your blocks. So once you will open the blocks over here, are you able to see this purple color extension? You need to click on it. The second option itself is the object detection. Once you will click on that, it will going to be open the entire object detection block. Just wait for a second because object detection is very big package. So once you will start loading, it will take little bit of time in order to open it. Okay, let's see the next part. What we are going to be add as our next part. So we will require multiple images. So what I can do, we can open. Suppose I want to download girl image. You have to be just see there are a lot of girl image. You can down. Suppose she's so cute. I wanted to download it. Save as we saved the image. Suppose I wanted to download this one as well. Save image, save. Suppose now we wanted to download car image because we have to be just try to give multiple objects. Okay. Suppose let me download this one. I don't know what is the name of this car, but you can download any one of that. Suppose this is car. I want dog. You can go with any image. Basically, that's your choice, but try to download at least 5 to 6 images. Why I'm showing you how to download the image because you have to be know how to download it. Okay, so it's your dog image. Let's go with cat, and this is my last one. But if you want, you can go with multiple images. Suppose I wanted to download this one as well. So as you can see, we added girl image, cat image, dog image, right? So what we will do, as you can see, this is your choose a backdrop option. We will just click on it. Okay. Click on upload your backdrop. Try to upload one. Press Control and select it so that at a time you can upload multiple images. Suppose, as you can see, we added 5 images. Okay. Cat, dog, car, girl, and one more girl. Okay. I wanted to delete this Dobby. Let me delete it. Okay, let me add a box. So as you can see, this is a square box. So till now, as you can see, we added 5 backdrop, 1 square box. Let's start the code. Code is very simple. What logic we are going to be use here when flag is clicked? So I always told you, you have to be click on event. You have to be just start when flag is clicked. So as you can see, we added 5 backdrop and we want randomly your backdrop will come. Okay. So you have to be just go to the looks. Over here, you will get switch backdrop and we want any random image between 1 to 5. So just go to the operator. As you can see, there is a pick random. We need to pick it. We will go with any random image between 1 to 5. Okay. Now we are going to be analyze the image, right? So you have to be just open this object detection. Over here, you will get analyze image. Now once you will analyze your images with the help of camera, like you have to be open the camera. Once you will show the image, it will going to be analyzed. So for that you can use the camera. Otherwise, if you will analyze with the help of your uploaded image, so you have to be select the stage. Okay, once you will select the stage, we have to be first hide it, your box. So once we will hide, we have to be create one variable where it will going to be detect how many objects we added. Okay, so just go to the variable, write your name. For example, I'm just writing count. So we will initially set our count to 0. It will going to be repeat until and unless we will get the entire object. Okay, so in your control, if you will scroll it down, there is a repeat until block. It will going to be repeat until we will get all the objects. Okay, so just go to the operator, try to put equals. Over here we will just get all the object first. If it's equals to your count, if all the object, whatever object you will get, if it's equals to your count you will get from the variable. If it's equals to your count, we are going to be change the count by 1. It will going to be change it. Okay, then let's see the next part of this project. We have to be set the size. So size you will get from the looks, because what do we want? For example, if girl is standing here, okay, so we want this box will start from her face, like from starting from this top to bottom. Okay, so we need to set the size. Set size you will get from here. As you can see, this one we need to set the size. We will set the width of your entire object. So over here, if you will see, you will get width of object, this one. Instead of class, we are going to be select the width. If your width of object is like your count, so just go with count. Okay, then we have to be go to that particular position, like where is your image, this bounding box will follow that, like this square box. Okay, so we have to be scroll up. Over here in motion there is a go to x and y. Okay, for x axis and y axis, we will first find out what is the x position of your object and what is the y position of your object. So again, try to take it. Over here, just put x position. This one is y position. And this one should be your count. So go with count and go with count. Okay. Then we have to be just say what is this all about. Okay, so that you will get over here, say block, you will get in the looks, say hello for 2 seconds. What is the class of this object? Then try to take it class, just pass your variable here. Okay, now if you will run the project, what will happen? As you can see, it is assuming it's a camera. Like say person, cat. See over here you are getting the result. Dog. It's identifying and it is creating your box just about to that image. See, it's a car. And for car, it's taking a proper width. Okay. So this is nothing but our object detection. Let me tell you one more thing. I told you you can use the camera as well. Okay. So what we can do for camera, you need to go to the object detection. Okay. Turn on your camera. We will try to take it out, switch backdrop, and we are going to be analyzed with the help of camera. Now what will happen, you once you will run your project, you have to make sure your camera is open in anywhere or not. You have to be close your camera from other platform so that your camera will able to recognize over here. Once we will click on the flag, you can see, let me show you this. We want a little bit of transparency, otherwise it will take okay, let me run it one more time. Okay, already we uploaded the backdrop, right? So we need to delete the backdrop from here. Let me delete it quickly. We can add one plain one. Now once you will run, save to our computer. Let me refresh it. Then only my camera will able to recognize blocks. Then we have to be just go to the file, load from your computer, open it. Now let's run. So now what will happen? Once you will click on the flag, your camera will open and whatever object you will show, it will going to be recognized. As you can see, it is creating box for the camera. If I will show this, okay, so in this way you can create this entire object detection project. So please create this project, just save it, share your project link with me in the comment section. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon if you want more latest updates. So thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Take care.